All right, Brenda here from the Pop-Up Homestead. All right, guys. I know, everyone's in shock. Sean's on the roof.
Gotta face your fears, baby.
He said, face your fears. So, he's doing a good job. He climbed right up there. We got the support of our neighbor, Ed.
Actually, wasn't too bad at all.
Moral support. Now, that's true. Yeah, so he's up there taking the covers off our solar panels because we have our battery bank is all set up and we have been generating power for 24 hours approximately. And right now we have the generator running because it is charging up our batteries. And as soon as Sean gets the covers off here,
you can actually grab both of them and toss them up here.
When he gets the covers off, then he's going to hook up the panels and we're going to get them hooked up to the battery bank, and then as long as it stays sunny, we'll have a constant supply of power. Here's our neighbor Ed, carefully, hopefully going up the ladder very carefully.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, no, it's all good.
So what do you think, Sean? How's that going up there?
It's going well.
So what is it that you're doing?
So, we have 6 solar panels. 1920 watts. For it to work with our system, we can take up to 2400 volts, but it can't all be in one series. So I'm separating them into 2 series of 3. So I'm taking the positive from that side, that 3, and the positive from this 3, which is right here. And this one is going to go down there, and it's going to connect the 2 positives, and they go into a branch connector here, and then that's going to go from here down to the end, and then come in the side wall. So,
Okay, well, focus on what you're doing. We're going to stop the video now. Say bye.
So it's actually pretty simple. It's just a matter of being up here, and then I don't know if I'm going to take these off today. We might have hail this weekend, so since they're on, I might just wait, just to be cautious, and I don't know. We'll see.
Anyhow.
We'll come back at you.
Anyhow,
Show you when it's done.
we'll keep you posted. Take care from the Pop-Up Homestead.